The angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point A on the ground is 60 degrees. After a flight of 15 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. If the jet plane is flying at a constant height of 1500 root 3 meters, find the speed of the jet plane. Root 3 is equal to 1.732. Solution. According to the given problem, a jet plane is moving from one point to the another point. From point A, the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. After 15 seconds, jet plane is moving from point C to point D. Now, the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Height of the jet plane from the ground BC is equal to ED is equal to 1500 root 3 meters. Angles of elevation are 30 degrees and 60 degrees. That is, angle CAB is equal to 60 degrees, angle DAE is equal to 30 degrees. The distance travelled by jet plane in 15 seconds is equal to CD is equal to BE is equal to Y meters. We know tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. So, from triangle ABC, tan 60 degrees is equal to BC by AB. We know tan 60 is equal to root 3, which implies root 3 is equal to 1500 root 3 by x, which implies x is equal to 1500 meters. Consider this as equation 1. From triangle ADE, tan 30 degrees is equal to ED by EE. We know tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3, and from the figure, AE is equal to AB plus BE, which implies 1 by root 3 is equal to 1500 root 3 by AB plus BE. Substitute the values of AB and BE, which implies 1 by root 3 is equal to 1500 root 3 by x plus y. By cross multiplication, we get x plus y is equal to 1500 into 3. Since from equation 1, x is equal to 1500 meters, which implies 1500 plus y is equal to 4500, which implies y is equal to 4500 minus 1500, which is equal to 3000. Therefore, distance travelled by jet plane in 15 seconds is equal to 3000 meters. Speed of the jet plane is equal to distance by time, that is equal to 3000 by 15 is equal to 200 meters per second.